Okay. So I put a few gallons of gas in it. Started squirting fuel. Fuel line. Hook the fuel line back up. Bump the key. And here it sits. Felt the squeal. Got a little bit of a rough idle now that it's got a little heat in it. Probably nothing that won't work out. I think I put some belts on it, some tires, 5 more gallons of gas. Oh, look at it, fire. I've awoken the critters. Yay, that's a win. I don't know if it's still leaking. Might have run out of gas, but now, oh, there it is. So, this is why it was out of gas. I was creating me a nice puddle on the floor. So the couple gallons I just put in it will be gone shortly. And I didn't put this thing in the lift bay, so I can't get under it just yet, but I'm gonna go get me some belts. I got them all off. I was putting a little carb cleaner in it. Oh, and I give it a good rev in the serpentine belt that runs the alternator came to pieces, which I guess that's the one that was squalling so badly. So I'll go get some new belts for all of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 different belts, all different sizes, and should be good. Let's drive this one. Reckon it'll start? Cold start? Okay, I got in. Kind of like that. Oh, well, this will do. There we go. That took care of the squeakies. $61 worth of belts. Ooh. Seems to be pretty happy though. So let me see if I can spin this around. So now I'm pretty happy. Alright, I got it up. She's just stock as anything. Got me some mud daubers. It's got the extra heavy duty 4-leaf setup. Muffler's probably not long for the world. Neither is the fuel tank. Appears to be leaking on me. Cadillac Verter still intact. But I wonder who's calling me. Looks like in pretty fair shape under here. Looks like a $700 4. I guess. Oh, I'm not up on my transmission pan. Oh, got the little bitty oil filter on it. Got the hot air shutoff valve. Still got some debris from its days in the field, I suppose. Disc brakes. Of course, it's an 86. Oh, shiny new belts. Ha! So I guess, oh, that's probably not good. We should probably put a nut on that. That could be catastrophic. Yeah, it's missing a piece there. Otherwise, I guess it's intact. So, fuel leaking out from underneath. Took the plastic cover off. Looks like there's some shenanigans here. I see silicone. Oh, bad spot. Looks like maybe some rat piss sat in that area. Somebody took it apart and siliconed it, and it lasted a while, I suppose. Well, I might have to silicone it. Bondo, maybe. I don't know. I guess I can go out and look at that junk truck out there and see if there's a fuel tank that's worth using on it. Guess that's why I buy junk. Alright. Upon a little scraping, looks like that might be JB weld or something along those lines. Not a very big hole. There again, I don't guess it needs to be a very big hole. Leak gas. Alright, let's go out here and look at this junk. Anybody remember that one? I bet y'all do. You know where that came from. Uh-oh. Looks to me like the driver's side fuel tank. This truck doesn't exist. It's got a passenger side tank, a little bitty that it is. Except that's not what I need. I guess I may have to fix that one. At least temporarily. Here's a brown vinyl seat. Oh, I guess it's in terrible condition. Dashboard leaves a little bit. Oh, the driver's side's not too good. Wonder where that rebel flag headliner went to. That was pretty redneckish. Oh, nearly fell down. Oh. Uh-oh, I see duct tape. It's usually a bad sign for a seat. Yeah. That's not generally good. Oh, that's a whole bunch better than the other one I got in the shop out of the boys' truck. Yeah, there's another grill. Oh, 82-ish, 83, something. I don't know. So, thinking about seats, fuel tanks. Guess I have to see if I can get the rest of the fuel out of that tank and get it clean and I can seal that back up. And then seats. I got the seat out of the boys' truck, along with a good dashboard to put in here. Or I've got them bucket seats out of Astrovan, the proper color blue. Or I got those black leather ones. I think they have a late model. Choices. Telling you what, this truck's full of choices. I don't know if they're the wrong offset, but at least they're enough tire to fill up the wheel well. Those 305s was a little bunch of nothing.